Learn how to create a Pinterest pin in Canva using the free version. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brenda. Please hit the like and subscribe button. First, log into canva.com and click on Create a Design. Select Pinterest for the size since this format works best. On the left-hand side, you have the option to choose an already made template. This makes creating your pin a little faster. As you can see, you have a lot to choose from. You can also narrow down a theme by typing your interest into the search bar. Let's choose exercise. Notice different subcategories are listed that you can choose from. I'm going to go with workout. The crown symbols indicate templates for the paid version. I'm going to choose this one since it is colorful and can grab your attention. You can make any changes to the template to make it your own. Notice the remove watermark? Those elements will need to be removed for the free version. You'll be able to figure out which ones those are by clicking around. Click the trash can to remove them. I don't feel I need these text boxes, so I'm going to delete them. I can always add them back in if I want. You will find those off to the left. I would like to add something more to the page just to make it a little more fancy. I like the ready-made texts that are available. Once again, they do have the paid version, but they have plenty of the free version to choose from. I'm thinking something that stands out. Just drag it to make it fit the page better and put it where you would like it. I'm going to center mine. You can change the text. I'm going to put learn more. I've noticed it still has the Canva lines, which indicates a watermark. If I click the background, it should pop up. If you click on watermark, it will give you the option to upgrade to Pro. I'm not interested in doing that at this time, even though I really like the layout of the template. I'll get back to that in a bit. I'm not a big fan of the colors of the Learn More, so I'm going to change it. If you go to the top, you'll see Effects. Click on that and you'll see different styles pop up on the left. You can randomly click around and see which one you prefer. Clicking on None removes the selection. If you go to the top and click on Animation, you'll see different choices pop up on the left. I use these quite often because I think it catches the eye of my audience. If you are satisfied with the pin, go up to the top right and click on Share. Go to Download and select. You'll notice that video pops up. This is because you have animation in your pin. Click on Download. Remember the Canva watermark that I didn't remove? This is the message you get when you still have it in your template. You can either upgrade or you can choose to keep editing. I'm going to choose to keep editing. Go ahead and click out of there. Click around to find the watermark and hit the trash can. It's not as nice as it was, but I can change some things to make it better. I did like that it has the person in there, but for this demonstration, I'm going to just leave it without replacing the image. My pin is losing its color and I want to make it more appealing. If you go to the left side of the page, you'll see Photos. Click on that. I'm going to look for a new background. There are so many to choose from, but I need to find one that is not the paid version. Let's try this one. Click on the three dots and scroll down to Set Image as Background. This replaces all the empty space that was showing. I'm not a fan of this background color, so I'm going to keep looking. I would like something that kind of has the same colors as the pin. I'll try this one. Click on the three dots again and select Replace Background. I like that a lot better. But now some of colors in the text are blending in. If you click on the text that you would like to edit, you can change the color at the top. Off to the left you'll see color choices pop up. Some are the same colors as in the template. Keep selecting colors until you find what you like. If you want them to pop more, you can go up to Effects and choose a style that works. I like the outline. I feel it just makes it easier to read. You can also change the color. I think that works for now. I may go back and change it. You can also change the size of the font. The word session just seems too small, so I'm going to make it bigger. If you click on the text box and go up to the plus, you can increase the size of the font. The word arms is hard to read, so I'm going to add an effect to that. I think this came out okay. You can definitely do a lot more to it by adding elements or different backgrounds. To download your pin, go up and click Share. Scroll down to download and select. You want to keep video as your choice for the effects. Then just click on Download. Please like and subscribe.